Welcome to the ACE Insight series, powered by ACE Microtechnology. This video will answer the question of what is Dynamics 365 customer engagement? Dynamics 365 contains a suite of business applications that span many business solutions. This includes sales, marketing, customer service, project service, and field service. All of these are powered by the Microsoft Power Platform, which can be extended beyond traditional platforms to truly manage your business from end to end. Additionally, Dynamics 365 tightly integrates with Office 365 applications to help users collaborate more effectively. Dynamics 365 applications, including marketing, sales, and customer service, are built on the Dynamics 365 platform, which allow full and easy integration with one another and streamlined interaction across customer experiences. Dynamics 365 marketing can improve your customer's journey. With Dynamics 365 marketing, you can foster leads through multi-channel marketing campaigns. Better decisions can be made with real-time analysis, and you can adapt quickly by automating processes. Dynamics 365 Sales can empower sellers to drive personal engagement with customers. You can go beyond Salesforce automation to better understand customer needs, engage more effectively, and win more deals. With Dynamics 365 Sales, you can grow your business with event-driven sales processes, build your pipeline with high-quality leads, and you can measure the past and identify leading indicators for the future. You can stay focused on finding the right prospects, know the next best action, and build a high-performing sales team. You can win faster by collaborating on strategic deals, deliver personalized engagement, and work anytime, anywhere. Dynamics 365 Customer Service can provide guided, intelligent service and support through any channel. You can empower customers and agents with tools they need to ensure quick and accurate resolution every time. With Dynamics 365 Customer Service, engagement with customers is improved through multi-channel service options. AI-infused service bots can increase service availability and free your agents for high-value interactions. Issues can be resolved quickly using data analysis and predictive care. Personalized service can deliver value with every interaction with a complete customer view. Agents' actions can be guided towards optimal outcomes using intelligent automation. This can provide upsell or cross-sell opportunities using contextual customer data. Customer service can be streamlined through survey feedback and discussion forums. Agents can be onboarded quickly with in-app learning options, and you can optimize service staff by allocating resources based on service trends. Dynamics 365 Field Service empowers your field agents to create a better customer experience. You can streamline scheduling, inventory management, and on-site efficiency. Quick and transparent communications and tracking functionalities keep customers connected to your field agents. Your operational efficiency can be improved by using IoT to detect and solve problems faster. Predictive maintenance can be used to reduce costs, and work orders, scheduling, and dispatching can be automated to streamline your processes. Field agents can be empowered with mobile access to home office data. They can provide personalized service by understanding customer preferences and history. Technicians can work hands-free using innovative technology like mixed reality headsets. You can build trust with your customers by providing real-time technician location tracking and appointment reminders. Information such as quotes, contracts, and scheduling can be shared quickly and easily. Customers can self-schedule appointments and monitor service with a customer portal. With Dynamics 365, you can streamline business processes, understand and extract valuable customer insights, automate time-consuming tasks, analyze key data, and connect with your customers. For more information about Dynamics 365 or the Power Platform, contact ACE Microtechnology at acemicrotech.com, and be sure to subscribe to this channel to be aware of new videos.